Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the user guide in the 24me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down a bit, click on the Help Center button. And at the Learn About 24me section, click on the User Guide button. And as you can see, there are a lot of topics and sections to choose from, and if you scroll down and look through, you will get an answer and help on everything about this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.